I want to say thank you for watching my channel. I want to say thank you for all of the love. I want to say thank you for being there when I need you most. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to say thank you for...
Well, good morning. Guess where we're going to clean out this vehicle? I look a hot mess. Today is my off day. Right now I'm just dropped off some food to my daughter at her school so she can have the lunch that she wants. And then we're gonna go back to Dunkin' Donuts because today is the last day for me to receive my 250 free points for coming 5 times. So that's what we're about to do. Come on, y'all. It is 77 degrees. They claimed this was going to be the last day of this type of temperature here in Michigan. We shall see. But yeah, today is September 3rd. I hope you all are having a good time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nene. Some people call me Nita, and I call my returning members, I call you guys my Nita babies. Yeah. I'm so sorry I did not record last weekend, but I went to my cousin's wedding and had a ball. What else did I do? I did a lot of stuff. And I just did not pick up the phone to record. I was just in the moment, enjoying family. So my apologies. I put on a new set of nails. And yeah, what else do I need to tell y'all? That I'm happy it's September because I got less than a month and it's my birthday. Less than a month, y'all. Less than a month. But yeah, I'm gonna probably stop by my parents' house too. And then tonight I'm making a dish. I'm making some food. So y'all get a chance to see me cook too. I think we're gonna do something Mexican. I will check back in with you guys when I get to the car place so I can clean out this car. Get this truck all nice and beautiful. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I have to get this going as soon as I get some ducats out. You know what I wish? I wish that the machines were up to date as far as what am I trying to say, y'all? As far as when you're trying to get tiles and things of that nature out, that you don't have to worry about, oh shoot, I gotta have cash on me. Not to say that carrying cash is a problem. It's not a problem for me. I don't mind carrying cash because I think we need to still carry cash. My problem is it should be an option for those that may have ran out of cash and they need to vacuum or what have you. It should be an option that you can use a credit card to get the windshield wipes, tiles out, or vacuum your car, whatever. You know what I mean? It should be an option. That's my thoughts on it. Let's get out here and sorry to have y'all up close. let's get out here and get this vehicle clamped down on the inside. All right. We need, I'm gonna say, a moisture light. Go in there. First, before we vacuum, well, you just never really realize how dusty your car can get. We're gonna need some more money. Oh my goodness. Let me get some more change. Come on. need $1. What? Oh, it didn't take. Oh. Okay, you're not working. Let's figure out which one is working. We love that for us. While I'm over here, let me get I think I want another light. 3, 4. So, ow, this thing is burning my back. Okay. So it looks like we gotta move over to the other side because, or let's see if this one is working up here. Oh, where she is the terry cloth. The moisture wipe. I had no idea they had the terry cloth one over there. Okay, let's see if this works. They lied when they said it was gonna be cooler today. I just checked my thing. Look. 79 degrees. They said it was gonna be in the 60s. Why they lie, y'all? Or should I go? Should I stay or should I go? Okay, this one works. vacuumed. So much better in here. I had to turn some air on, y'all. I wore the wrong thing today. And I can't even take this off because my crazy butt didn't put a shirt on under here. I was like, I don't want to have a lot on. Oh, that looks so much better. Now I gotta stop at my parents' house and take this towel that I had my mom to give me last Saturday for my cousin's wedding, because I had my legs out and they was very oily, and you know, I got leather seats and I didn't want the oil to be all over the seats, because you can mess up your leather with the wrong kind of oil. So I was like, since I had to stop by their house to make sure they knew how to get to the place, I was like, can I borrow the towel? And it's been in my car since then, so I need to take it back so that it can get cleaned from my oil residue. Oh my gosh. Like, why did they lie about the temperature? Like, I gotta go home. As soon as I drop this towel off, I gotta go home, take this off, put on a t-shirt, because, yeah. And I kind of want to get my truck washed too, because a bird decided to poop on the side, on the passenger back side window. And I just got it cleaned when I took it to get an oil change at Chevrolet. I had them to wash it for me, complimentary wash with my oil change, my first oil change. And yeah, honey, I looked yesterday on the back window and there's a bird poop all on it. I'm like, yeah, y'all be hating. Y'all birds be hating. Y'all see that the vehicle is clean. It's like, yeah, let's mess it up for her. Y'all some haters. Why y'all gotta hate on me? Because I got a free wash. That's crazy. But I'll check back in with y'all probably when I get to my parents' house. Okay? I'm here at my parents' house, about to drop off the towel, and then go home. My nose is itching. To change clothes. Alright, peace. Alright, y'all. Hey. Your girl is about to make dinner. I got yellow corn tortillas. Oh. Hold on. You tripping. Stop it. Cut yourself down a little bit. Chill out. Okay, so the frying pan is hot, of course. And I got this ready so I can put the enchiladas in. So I got taco blend, black olives. I opened up 2 cans of enchilada sauce. Okay, it's meatless, it's vegetarian. So here's the enchilada sauce. Okay, trying to make it so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. You want to lightly fry them. Okay. Oh, I forgot how they break up. You don't have to cook them because, oh, I did this wrong. I like mine like this. And I'm a bready girl, so I like it heavenly breaded. There we go. Now, some people don't cook it, but I learned this technique from my cousin who used to live in California, and she had a lot of Mexican friends, and their families showed her how to make it because every time she was over their house, you know, they was making enchiladas and stuff. And she said a lot of them made it like this. They didn't roll it. So, hey, what's up? I adopt whatever my sisters are doing. We all family. We all family. So I dip it and I layer it like so, like that. It don't have to be perfect. It just needs to be done. Okay. Okay. I don't know how many I'm going to use, y'all, but need some more oil. Right there. And you don't have to have the pan up on high. I got it on 4, but that's because I'm just trying to hurry up because I want to, oh, dang it. I want to surprise my mamacita, because she loves enchiladas too. So I just want to, you know, surprise her with them. She also likes vegetarian tamales or chicken tamales. But you know, it's very hard to find vegetarian or chicken tamales. It's normally just pork, which I think is weird because I know there's Mexicans that don't eat pork. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this one. I like it bready. I really love it to be bready. To me, that's the best part. So have it bready. Take that off the fire for a minute. Put my taco cheese here. Oops. I didn't think this out, did I? It's the heat. Okay. And I got more cheese if I run out of cheese. I don't have more black olives. And I was at my parents' house earlier. I should have grabbed some of my mom's jalapenos and green peppers out of her garden. And I wasn't thinking. Oh well. Come on. Okay. Let's put some more. might do like 2 layers if I can. If not, this is just a starter one, and as y'all can see, it's a small one. I'm not doing a huge one, so you know. And I'm not really seasoning it too much because the taco cheese is already seasoned. This oil is drying up on me. Okay. You don't want to overcook them. And these, you know, I'm gonna have a lot left, so I can make tacos. I do have some gardenia crumbles. I can make tacos, and I got vegetables, so I can do a lot with this. But I'll be back once I'm done, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is it. Okay, it's a little messy over here, but this is it. I gotta put cheese on top. This was all of the sauce that I had left. Okay, not a lot. I'm gonna clean up my mess in a minute. The oven is preheated. I seasoned it, as you can see. So now we just gotta top it off with the cheese. Try not to make too much of a mess, because I don't like to cook and have to clean. But my daughter is at school, and I got like an hour before I have to pick her up. So yeah, I just wanted to save some coins and cook, you know. When you know how to cook, you should cook. Let me get rid of this. Get some more cheese out. Gotta take this trash out. And then wipe the counters down, you know. I feel like that's good. All right, y'all. Peace. Hey, y'all. I'm home. Let me turn the light on because it's a kind of a cloudy day, like almost. Oh, I'm tired. Home from work. It is almost 5 p.m. My daughter texted me and was like, "Can you come get me from school at 6?" She's a football manager, the boys' football team. My daughter's into everything. Everything. These are vegan. Okay. And they're good. I don't like nobody Haribo's or Haribo, whatever they call them. I used to eat them when I didn't know no good. But I can taste the difference. And I like these so much better. Like, all the different colors and flavors. This is another day of me looking rough, but when I go to work, I do not put on makeup. I used to. I used to. I'm just tired, y'all. I hope y'all having a good day. Today is Thursday, September 4th. I was trying to think of what the day was. September 4th. Thursday evening. And I have nothing planned. Nothing planned at all. But I think today is going to be the end of this little vlog. Yeah, I think I'm going to end it here. I just wanted to check in with y'all. I didn't just want to end it abruptly. Sometimes I do because that's my style. So I hope y'all okay with it. But I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Y'all, I wish I would have stacked my money up years ago. I could have been getting ready for retirement. And I know some people would be like, you too young to retire. There's really no age limit on retirement. It's when you have your funds together. Your finances are together. You can afford to not have to work every day or work period because you took your money and made it work for you instead of you taking your money and creating debt, bad debt. So I wish I would have, when I paid off all my credit cards, I wish I would have just kept it that way. And all the years of me working, 30 years of working, I wish I would have just took the checks, like $50 out of each paycheck from all of my jobs, $50 to $75. Man, do y'all know how much money I could have had by now? I would have had enough to live very comfortably. But I didn't do right with my money, so there we go. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. But that's okay, because this debt is being paid off for the last time. But, you know, when you have another parent that doesn't want to pay child support or anything, you kind of just have to roll with the punches, they say. But no more babbling, because I don't want to babble. I love y'all. I thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos you can go back and watch so you can get to know me. I'm just a good old Detroit, Michigan girl from the D, living in her late 40s with one teenage daughter. You know, waiting on my husband. Because Lord knows I need to be married, not just for finances. Just because there's nobody out here in the streets, y'all. These guys is terrible. But anyway, let me get off the screen looking hideous. Next time y'all see me, I will be beautified, okay? I promise you, I'll be beautified. But until then, I love y'all. Peace out.